we were going over to Kenya, South Kenya to be more specific. Those lands are rural. Anyway, we were at this village and they're like, go hunt a lion. It was called Beast of a Lion. So we get this awesome little Jeep, the awesome little safari Jeep, as I like to call it. And we get a guy, and I'm taking along my bud Julia. We're just riding along. We see a few elk, zebras, all the good stuff. And so, you know, all of a sudden, this elephant starts charging us. Yep. And then the lion starts to, you know, like charge us also. And so the elephant turned back on both things. It's really cool. And Julia and I were like cheering for the lion, screaming for it. And our guide yelling at us to stop screaming, but we didn't care. We were still screaming and yelling, cheering it on, until the guide finally got our attention. And so, you know, we followed where the elephant chased off the lion, and it was a bushy area. And then the elephant was leaving, going the opposite way, and we followed where the elephant came from.
Yep.
And there was a lion, all smooshed. So we loaded it onto our Jeep, and we took it back to the village. But on our way, Julia dropped me off to die.
Yeah.
There's also a little lion cub. She took me to her people.
Yeah.
Well, lions, specific. And so they brought me up from here, and they took me off back to this awesome little village, a lion village, that were being people. And so they were like, I was pretty much an idol there, because they worshipped lions, and I was like one of their kin. I sold my belt for $100. I even sold my shirt. Don't worry, I brought another one. And so, you know, since I didn't have my belt, my mom told me to bring these like extra baggy pants, and I was holding them up like all the way like to my chest, and it was like really annoying. It was like parachute pants practically. And so I'm going to the U.S. again in an awesome little plane. Then the plane crashes. I need a parachute though. I got my parachute pants.
That's a safari hunt. It rocks.
So you people better go on a safari hunt.
Yeah. Watch out for them lions.